Hi, my name is Eduardo Ordoñez. I'm from Ecuador. I'm a neurosurgeon. I'm a pain specialist. So I was invited by the Social Foundation. I would suggest you this is an excellent course. I will be back next year. I suggest you to come and visit because they treat you like a real doctor and like a friend. All of the talks and demos from today will be available as YouTube organization in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Now, here's what else is happening this week. Will Cornell Medicine will host our interesting spine case discussion on Tuesday evening. Friday morning, our virtual spine journal club. Also mark your calendar for December 9 when we will hold our 9th annual robotic course. This course focuses on provocative topics on in-depth debates regarding navigation and robotic application in spine surgery with nationally recognized speakers. As always, you can register for any of all courses as SSF ME. Thank you for supporting the Social Science Foundation.